Hello children, today I am going to explain about how to find the values of irrational numbers. Okay, see first, what is an irrational number? The numbers which cannot be written in the form of p by q are called irrational numbers. The general examples of irrational numbers are root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7 and so on. Okay, now first one, root 2. Find the value of root 2 using long division method. Okay, long division method. See 2, there are no decimals, so for that what you have to do is you take point, after that you write the zeros. Even number of zeros you put. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, after that you put the bars for the zeros, 2 zeros as one group. 2 zeros as one group. For 2 zeros you put one bar. Okay, like this. Next one. For finding this value, you have to take the perfect squares. Take the perfect square values. What are the perfect square values? See, we know that 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 and so on. These are the perfect square numbers. That means the numbers which are multiplied by itself. Okay, the numbers which are multiplied by itself are called perfect square numbers. Okay, so 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 9, 4 into 4, 16, 5 into 5, 25, 6 into 6, 36 and so on. Okay, now here first 2. 1 into 1 is equal to 1 and 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Okay, so 4 is greater than 2 here and 1 is lesser than 2. So you have to take 1 time. So that is 1 here. Write 1. Next 1. Next you take the first group, that is 0 0. So it is nothing but 100. Now double this one. Double this value. 2. You write 2. After this, the number of times for 100, we have to see that you take the same number which is multiplied by itself. Okay, suppose 1 into 1, so that is 21 into 1, 21. Next here 2, you take 2 into 2 again, 2 into 2, 22 into 2, so that is 44. Next 2, you take 3 into 3, okay, 3 into 3, perfect square number. 3 3 is 9, that is 23 into 3, 69. Next 2 4 into 4, 24 into 4, that is 96. Next 2 5, 25 into 5, that is 125. See here 125 is greater than 100, so you have to take 4 times 24 into 4, so that is 4. Here you write 4. So in between these two you write point. Okay, 1.4. How many times? 4 times 96. 4 remainder. Next you take the second group, zeros. That is 400 now. Double this 4. You should not double 24. Okay, only you have to double the last right side digit. That is 4 4 8. 28. Okay. Next one. Here we have 28. 28. Now 1 into 1. That is 281 into 1 is 281. Next 28, 2 into 2. That is 282 into 2 times. 2 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. 400 here. So how many times? Only one time. 281. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 8, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. Okay, 181. Next one, we will take next group, that is 2 zeros again. Okay, now here we have double this one, 282. Okay, 282 into 282 1 into 1, so that is 2821. Next one, 282 2 into 2, so that is 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, next one, 282 3 into 3, so that is 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24, 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8. Okay, next one, 282 4 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9, 4 8s are 32, 3 remainder, 4 2s are 8 plus 3, 11. Okay, next one, 282 5 times, 5 into 5, so that is 5 5s are 25, 2 remainder, 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12, 1 remainder, 5 8s are 40 plus 1, 41, 4 remainder, 5 2s are 10 plus 4, 14. Okay, so 14,125. Now how many times does it go? Here 4 times. 4 times. You write 4 and here 4. Okay, how much? 11,296. Okay, so 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 9, 0, 8 minus 2, 6, 604. Next you take 2 zeros. Okay, next digit 4, double this one, 2828 again. Okay, 2828. Now see the number of times. 1 into 1. Okay, that is 28281. Next 2828 2 into 2. So that is 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 1 remainder, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 2 8s are 16, 1 remainder, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Okay, next one. 2828 3 into 3, so that is 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24, 2 remainder, 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8, 3 8s are 24, 2 remainder, 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8. Okay, here 60,400 and here 84,849. So this is more than this one and this is lesser than this one. So how many times we have to take? 2 times. 2. Okay, write 2 here. Next 56,564. 10 minus 4, 6. Next 9 minus 6, 3. 13 minus 5, 8. 9 minus 6, 3. Okay, so alternatively next you have to take 2 zeros and see the number of times. Here root 2 is equal to 1.4142. This is how many decimals? 4 decimals. So next some more decimals we will get. Okay, this is approximately. Okay, approximately. So root 2 is equal to 1.4142 approximately. Okay, understood children? Okay children, next question, find the value of root 3, okay, using long division method. Now first you take 3, after that you take the point, after that you take some decimals, those decimals we don't know, let us suppose you take the zeros. Okay, so even number of zeros you have to take. For each 2 digits you make a bar. Okay, now you take the perfect squares which are suitable for 3, first one. Okay, now 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is equal to 1, and 2 into 2 is equal to 4 here. Okay, how many number of times we have to take? Only one time. So that is 1 and 1 here. 1. Next 2 is the remainder. Next you take 2 zeros directly. Okay, double this one. 2 here. Now you take the first 2. Next perfect square numbers, 1 into 1, that is 21 into 1, 21. Next one 2, 2 into 2, 44. Next 2, 3 into 3, 69. Next 2, 4 into 4, 96. 2, 5 into 5, so that is 125. Next 2, 6, 26 into 6, 6 6 are 36, 3 remainder, 6 2 are 12 plus 3 15. Next 2 7 into 7, 27 into 7, 7 7 are 49, 4 remainder, 7 2 are 14 plus 4, 18, 189. Next 28 into 8, 8 8 are 64, 6 remainder, 8 2 are 16 plus 6, 22. So how much? 224. This is greater than 200, and 189 we have to take. So the number of times is 7. So 7 here and here 7, you put the point. So 1.7 up to now. 189. Remainder 11. Okay. Next 2 zeros. Next double this one. 7 plus 7 14. 1 remainder. 2 plus 1 3. Okay. Are you able to understand? Next 3 4 1 into 1. 3 4 2 into 2. 3 4 3 into 3. 3 4 4 into 4. 3 5 sorry 3 4 5 into 5. 3 4 6 into 6. 3 4 7 into 7. 3 4 8 into 8. 3 4 9 into 9. Okay. Now 341 into 1, 341. 342 into 2, 2 2 is a 4, 2 4 is a 8, 2 3 is a 6. Next 3 3 is a 9, 3 4 is a 12, 1 remainder, 3 3 is a 9 plus 1 10, 1029. So this is the nearest value. So take 3 times, 3 here and 3 here, right? 1029. 10 minus 9 1, 9 minus 2 7. Next take 2 zeros. Okay. Next again double this one. 3 here. 3 plus 3 6 4 3. Okay. Now okay. 3 4 6 1 into 1. 3 4 6 2 into 2. 3 4 6 3 into 3. Okay. 3461 ones are 3461. Next 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 1 remainder, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9, 2 3s are 6. Next one 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. So here how many number of times? 2 times. So you write 2 here and here 2, 6924. Now 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 2 7. Next to 10 minus 9 1. Next we take 2 digits. Next to double this one. How much we get? 3 4 6 4. Okay. Now 3 4 6 4 1 into 1 is equal to 3 4 6 4 1. Okay. Next one 4 6 4 2 into 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 1 remainder, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9, 2 3s are 6. Okay. Okay. The value of root 3 is equal to 1.732 approximately. Okay. We will get some more decimals. Okay, next question. Find the value of root 5 using division method. Okay. Now first we write 5. After that take the point. Next you take the digits. Even number of digits you take. I am taking 6 zeros, and from the right side onwards we have to take bar for 2 zeros. Okay. So 2 zeros as one group. So that is, and next one. Okay. Now take the perfect squares. 1 into 1 is equal to 1, 2 into 2 is equal to 4, 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Okay. 9 is greater than 5 and 4 is lesser than 5. So you have to take 2 times, 2 here and 2 here, 4, 1. Take the point here, take 2 zeros, double this one, 4. Next one 4 1 into 1, that is 41 ones are 41, 4 2 into 2 84, 4 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 129. So here we have 100. So how many times? 2 times we have to take 2, 84, 16 remainder. You take next to 2 zeros. Okay, 2 here and 2, double this one, 4 4 44. Now 4 4 1 into 1 441. Next 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. Next 443 into 3 is equal to 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13, 1600. Next you take one more time, 444 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 1 remainder, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17, 1 remainder, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. Okay, 1776, that is more than 1600. So you take 1329. How many times? 3 times. 3 times here, write 3. Next 1329. 10 minus 9 1, 9 minus 2 7, 5 minus 3 2. See here, these are the perfect square numbers. Like this you have to take the number of times. Okay, next one, double this one, 4 4 6. Okay, next 2 zeros, 446 1 into 1, so that is 4461. 4 4 6 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 1 remainder, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9, 2 4s are 8. Okay, next 4 4 6 3 into 3 is equal to 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18, 1 remainder, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13, 1 remainder, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13. Okay, 13,389. Next 4 4 6 4 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 1 remainder, 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25, 2 remainder, 4 4s are 16 plus 2 18, 1 remainder, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. 17,856. Next 4 4 6 5 into 5, that is 5 5s are 25, 2 remainder, 5 6 are 30 plus 2 32, 3 remainder, 5 4s are 20 plus 3 23, 2 remainder, 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22. Okay, next 4 4 6 6 into 6, that is 6 6 are 36, 3 6 6 are 36 plus 3 39, 3 remainder, 6 4s are 24 plus 3 27, 2 remainder, 6 4s are 24 plus 2 26. 26,796. Next one, 4 4 6 7 into 7, so 7 7s are 49, 4 remainder, 7 6 are 42 plus 4 46, 4 remainder, 7 4s are 28 plus 4 32, 3 remainder, 7 4s are 28 plus 3 31. 31,269. So here 27,100. So that is how many times? 6 times. 26,796. Okay. Now 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 9 0. Next again 10 minus 7 3, 6 minus 6 0, 2 minus 2 0. Okay, this is the remainder. Now see here, 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4, 5 into 5, 6 into 6, 7 into 7. So like this we have to take the perfect squares which are suitable for this division. Okay. Now square root of 5 is equal to 2.236 approximately. Okay, some more decimals we will get. Okay, if you prolong this division, using this you try to do root 6, root 7, root 8 as the homework. Okay, homework. Root 6, root 7, root 8. Okay, thank you.